small little towns here now. Going toward Cedar Rapids, Iowa. I'm about, it's about 11 miles from pickup. This is just right off of 80. It's actually where you were, if you were had an accident or something, had an accident, they'd bypass you on this route right here. As you just now see right here on the right, 380. A lot of fields just cut down. Cornfields. Pretty much the crop this year was a disaster with the storms that came through. That's what I heard anyways. I'm not going to give you the gospel, but that is what I heard. Let's just say pretty scenic little route here. Which is really weird because when I leave out of here and the GPS will actually takes me out another way because there's so many, they have so many bypass, or if they were to have an accident on 80 where you can get off of and get on and still kind of keep the traffic flowing. So that bridge right there, you got a little bit of wet on it. Get over and I'm trying to get, the whole thing here dinging on me. Went in there to the TA, got me some coffee. Had some Dunkin' Donuts, so got me some coffee, and I was like, I almost got me a blueberry muffin, but I walked away because I've got some boiled eggs in here that I brought from the house that once I get up here to this place, I'll have me a couple boiled eggs, finish my coffee, and that's what we'll be doing. That's what we'll be doing. I've loaded at this place, I think twice. They're usually pretty quick getting in and out. Usually what I pick up here is soy flour that goes to Alltech in Springfield, Kentucky. These little back roads, they take you through a bunch of little towns. Take you through a bunch of little towns. So this is, if I'm not pressed for time, I like going through these little towns like this to kind of check out the scenery and stuff. And you can actually find some pretty good little breakfast, lunch spots. See it far up on the right hand up there, we got a lot of cattle. Lots of cattle. I'd like to check out this video and kind of see what the time I came here, I actually went to this office right here, the South Dock office. Those cars are parked, but every time after that, I always went down here to this other one, and that's where my pickup is. They have an office down here, or shipping office too. Then we got different, I guess, different items that they ship. So really don't want to block anybody here. Kind of get over here where I can block that international if he gets out and he's done. So you guys bear with me 1 second. Everybody, look at this beautiful sunrise. We are headed toward Indianapolis. Destination is Springfield, Kentucky. Everybody's having a great morning. Got my little cup of Joe here and just now topped off the fuel in the DEF. trailer, dropping it off at the shop for PM, and that's another extra that I get paid for as far as for shuttling us over there. Even though I pretty much go right past it, they give you a $50 shuttle fee, which is nice. And I'll be picking up my Pennsylvania load after dropping that off and heading up toward Pennsylvania. That will deliver at 6 a.m. Friday morning. Then I will start making my way back toward the house.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Better if I save the songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how with everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you.